We're at the edge of something new. Whenever something is being born, the labor pains gets intense. Something fresh and vital is begging to be born. Painful contractions are being felt nationwide. Our women are proving to be the agents of change that we are. Our leaders are recognizing that women are an important force to promote sustainable development. As in childbirth, the most effective way to cooperate with the time is to relax, to breathe, to be healthy and well, and to have courage. Courage to advance further the interests of women. Therefore, women need to step out into society to ensure that the skills and values women have harnessed for millennia take their rightful place in the action plans, such as the one you will be developing this summit. A bit of history. In 1946, during the inaugural meetings of the UN General Assembly, Eleanor Roosevelt, a United States delegate, read a letter to the women of the world, calling on government to the world to, and I quote, encourage women everywhere to take a more active part in national and international affairs, and on women who are conscious of the opportunities to come forward and share in the work of peace and reconstruction as they did in war and resistance.